Hello viewers, today I am going to show you how to control an Arduino using an IR remote control. So here is how to do it. So first we need some things like a IR code receiver, an LED to check whether it is working or not, a 220 ohm or 1 kilo ohm resistor, some wires, and an Arduino Uno Rev 3, and obviously a breadboard. So at first we need to see what are these 3 pins of this IR code receiver. The first pin is the signal output pin, the second pin is the ground pin, and the third pin is for VCC. So the third pin draws power from the Arduino, the second pin is connected to ground, and the third pin outputs the signal codes received from the IR remote control. So at first we need to put this on the breadboard like this, and now we have to connect the wires. So as I said, the first pin is for power, 5 volts. So the first pin will be connected with the 5 volt of the Arduino, and the middle pin will be connected with the ground of the Arduino like this. And a point to be noted that if you wire this incorrectly, then this sensor will draw a lot of current from your Arduino, and your Arduino will start to shut down, and you will see that these LEDs are dimming. So you need to guess that you have wired that wrong, in a wrong manner. And as I said, the third pin is for the signal decode. So we have to connect this to a digital input output pin right here in this column. So as I am connecting this to the pin number 7, but you will connect it according to your code. So this is wired up now. I will upload the code how to use this. I will upload the code in the descriptions, and you can see that. But at first we need to check its sanity. So I am going to input some signals, and I will show that, and I will upload that in this video. So let me start the serial monitor. So as you can see, the serial monitor is now blank, so no input is still given. And now I am going to give it an input. You see, different hexadecimal codes are coming by pressing different buttons, and this last FFFF is denoting the continuity bit. That means a button is being pressed and it is kept in that state. So now I need to connect a LED to show you how to turn on a LED using an Arduino. So let me put the resistor in its place. here like this, and the LED. So I have a different code for turning on the LED with an Arduino. I will upload that too in the description. Here is the code. You can see this by pausing the video. And one thing to be noted that I have included irremote.h. This is an external library, so you have to install it. And here is the code. Pause the video a bit and check the code properly. So I will now upload this code to my Arduino. And it is uploaded. So now I have to check this first. So here is written that I have created the receive pin at number 7, and I have connected the receiver leg to the pin number 7, and I have to connect the LED to the pin number 12. As you can see, the pin mode 12 is for output, so I have to connect it. And the other leg of the LED to the ground, goes to the ground. Now my circuit is completed. Now let's try this. I will press the up arrow of my remote control to turn the LED on, and the down arrow to turn the LED off. Let's try this. See, it is working. LED is off, on, off, on, off, on, off. By this way you can connect more LEDs or more things. If you have a relay module and you know how to use that, so you can also connect an AC circuit to that, and you can turn your home into a remote controlled home or something like that. Thank you for watching.